everyone, welcome back to my channel with Millie Reynolds here. Did you know you have to trim your hair at least every 3 months to keep them healthy? Why I always layer my hair? Because it's make my hair look thicker. If your hairstyle flat or just a little bit layer like mine right now because it's too long, this time I'm going to show you the easiest way to layer your hair at home. Especially, I love to curling my hair so that it will be look really nicer. What you need, just a scissor, as long as they're sharp, one clip, and one hairbrush. You see here my hair, it's half layer but not really can tell and be too long right now. So let's start. The first step is always from in the middle of your eyebrow right here, all the way back, until the top of your hair, right here and behind. Press it down to the front. Make it two parts. Step 2 is how long you want to cut your hair, or how long will be the final result at the front of your hair. And I will cut my hair just a little bit, like 2 centimeters, like, or 1 inch, 1 or 2 inch. And always hand your scissor this position, okay, not like this, because that will make your hair natural, more natural looks. Make it 2 parts again, one of your hair, like this, and use this for a basic for your next haircut. And then for the next one, alright, half part done, half part is done. Now the other half. Next one. Trying to make it even here in case you missed some part. Then voila, you're done. Very easy, isn't it? And always gonna keep your hair healthy in the end, and always pretty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and useful for you. So see you in the next video. Bye.